Hello and welcome to Irwin's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing this right here, the Klarstein Brooklyn Barrel Barbecue. Let's do this. So here it is, the Klarstein Brooklyn Barrel Barbecue. So let's go through what the barbecue comes with. Oh, and some assembly is required. In fact, a lot of assembly is required. You have to assemble the whole thing. But it's fairly straightforward. All you need is a screwdriver and you're sorted. Okay, so let's go through what it comes with. There's the lid itself. Also has a smoke seal right over here. You can close and open. Works as a shield as well. Pretty cool. If you're ever in battle while barbecuing, this will be handy. Okay, next part. The next part is a smoke rack with 6 hooks. And two grilling grates. There's another one down below here. There's also a fire pit bowl at the very bottom. I'll show you that one now in a second. Let me just put this back. The other thing about it is it comes apart fairly easy, so setting it up is really fast. Just take the top part off here. There we go. This is obviously the main part of the barbecue, and over here is the bottom. The bottom also comes with this, where you can put your coals and your fire and your wood. And then inside there, it's a little hard to get hold of right now, but there is a fire bowl as well. So there you have it. All the pieces. They all come together to create one stylish Brooklyn barbecue. Sorry about the loud noises. Banana for scale. As you can see, it's a decent size. Here's its width. Oh, and let me not forget to mention, right here in the front is a thermometer as well. So you can tell the temperature if it's getting too hot, too cold. The barbecue itself can be used to grill food, to barbecue food, as well as smoke food. It's an all-in-one. You got everything you need in one barrel. Thanks to the fact that it's so easy to take apart, simply taking apart as such. It's very easy to store away when you're done, as well as setting up when you want to start your barbecue. Everything's there. It's an all-in-one. It's a multifunctional barbecue. You will need coal or wood to do it, obviously. It's not gas. So there you have it, the Klarstein Brooklyn Barrel Barbecue. An all-in-one barbecue that fits for every purpose and is nice and easy to fit wherever you need it. Stores away very easily, multifunctional, everything you need is right here. And that's all. Enjoy.